All right, this is the lace lock pattern of lacing that I'm going to show you. It's easier to show in a video than it is to show you the laced shoe. These are an old pair of my running shoes, right? And you have the spots where the laces go. These are the last two spaces in the shoe, and what you do first is you create a little loop in the end. Okay, so all I've done is just threaded that through to make that little loop. You do that on both sides, all right? So then, and this is exaggerated so that you can see it. Just have this little loop right there. And then you are going to continue your normal cross lacing pattern at the top. So take this, but instead of running it through the hole, you run it through that loop, and you run it through the loop on the other side. Okay, so what you've done is you have created a little loop that you're going to use, and then you just tie your shoe as you normally would, but you're pulling up instead of on the shoe, you're pulling up on those laces. And what it does is it tightens the space here, reduces the slipping of your ankle and your foot, reduces how much your foot moves around inside the shoe. That is what I call a runner's lock. Some people call it a lace lock, and there you go.